Hello and welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. Today, we're diving into a detailed problem from Class 11 Chemistry. Question 2.16 will be calculate. First, the energy associated with the first orbit in the hydrogen atom is minus 2.18 into 10 power 18. Atom power minus 1. What is the energy associated with the fifth orbit? Second, calculate the radius of Bohr's fifth orbit for hydrogen atom. First part. Answer: energy associated with the fifth orbit of hydrogen atom is calculated as E5 equals minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18, divided by 5, power 2 is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 divided by 25. E5 equals minus 8.72 into 10 power minus 20 joules. Second part. Answer: radius of Bohr's nth orbit for hydrogen atom is given by Rn sad phase 0.0529 nanometers, n power 2. For n equals 5, R 5 sad phase 0.0529 nanometers into 5 power 2. R 5 equals 1.3225 nm. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to We Dared Chemistry for more educational content. Have any questions or want to learn more? Leave a comment below.